Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be showing you how to get Minecraft working, or rather MultiMC working without administrative privileges. Even saying that is probably going to get me in trouble, but whatever. So what you're going to want to do is head to the Microsoft Store and we're just going to let this load a little bit. And we're gonna search for the Minecraft. We're gonna search for Minecraft, right? And so basically we're gonna have this, and we're gonna you have to own Minecraft for this tutorial. Basically you're gonna want to download the Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition from the Microsoft Store, and this is just updating the Minecraft launcher now. But pretty much you're just gonna want to launch that for the first time, maybe, and then launch the version you want to play, or launch a modern version of Minecraft or an old version of Minecraft, or both would be ideal, because that way it installs both versions of the internal Java virtual machine. So after that, you're going to want to go into your local hard disk, the C drive, and simply search the whole thing for java.exe. Now, you're going to want to, beforehand, go into Files, change folder and search settings, View, and uncheck Hide extensions for known file types, because that'll get that exe in that search there. This will take a little while, but bear in mind that it is scanning your entire fucking hard drive. Alright, so it's nearly finished on my end, but it really does take a long time to scan the entire hard drive for specific folders. Now, basically what you're going to want to do from this point on is make sure that the path of the file that you're trying to go says users, your username, app data, local, packages, and then some Microsoft string, local cache, local runtime, Java runtime beta, Windows x64, and then Java runtime, whatever. One of these is your correct deal. So you see this icon compared to this icon. This icon is the old Java, and this icon is the new Java, Java 17 and Java 8. Whichever version you're going to want to use is up to you, but I would recommend setting the modern version, or whichever version you're going to use, as the default in MultiMC. Just because you can set Java individually for each instance. So as you can see here, I have the path for the legacy version because I play primarily legacy versions of the game. And now you know how to. Okay, so if you're already set up like this, you can just click on java.exe, right click, go to open file location, and then you can copy this path. And let me go into settings here in Java. You can click on the ... go up here, paste it in here, and then select it like so. So yeah, if you want to do it with the modern version, you will just do that the exact same way, but with the modern java.exe. That concludes my tutorial for how to hijack the official Minecraft launcher's Java for MultiMC, and have a nice day.